Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got an award-winning and organic and clean beauty subscription box to share with you, and it is Lovelula. This is how it arrives through the post. It's got my address on the back there. So as always, if you're new to Lovelula, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Lovelula is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £14.95 within the UK, and that includes shipping. Now they do ship internationally, but only if you opt to take out a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. So if you decide to take out a subscription for yourself right now, your first box will be May's box. If you're curious and seeing past boxes, you can view them online. You can buy a one-off box, and you're able to buy a box as a gift as well. Lovelula have a huge online store, and there's always discount codes and everything lying around, so if I can find any out, I will pop them down below in description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, bring that up, everything will be listed down there. They work with over 200 brands, and they have a very active Facebook group. So if you're interested in taking a look, I'll pop that down in the description as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So let's get on to opening this up and see what we got inside. So we've got some leaflets here, and on the back it gives you 20% off anything on their website if you subscribe to this box. The value of this month's box is £57. So the first product in the box is a product by Ayumi. I think that's how you say it, Ayumi. This is Neem and Tea Tree Body Wash, cleansing and stimulating for normal to oily skin. Moringa and tea tree, mulberry and nettle. And all products in the box are cruelty free and vegan as well. So really nice size, really nice size. How much are we? Yeah, 250 mils there. Let's have a sniff. Oh, that's nice. That smells so nice. I love body washes and cleansers. Oh, I can't have enough of them. It says here, a blend of antibacterial, neem, nimba and tea tree oil envelope the skin with a healthy protective veil, while a tinge of cooling menthol leaves skin feeling cleansed, healthy and bursting with freshness. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a product by Nature's Kitchen, and this is a Berry Beautiful Skin Polish. Gently infuses the skin with antioxidants, leaving it feeling healthy and looking refreshed. And it says here with red berries, pomegranate and raspberry seeds, vitamin A, B3, C and E. And we've got 100 mils there. Again, that sounds absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? So what exactly is it then? The skin benefits from natural exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, softer and more healthy complexion. Packed with super skin loving antioxidant red berry. So it's an exfoliator for your skin. I wasn't too sure. I thought maybe a skin polish. Could that be a body polish? But no, it's for your face. Apply to wet skin and massage gently to promote healthy, younger looking skin that appears toned, smooth, plumped and glowing with renewed life. Rinse well and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week in replace of your usual face wash or cleansing balm. Oh, I have to smell this. I have to smell it. Oh, it smells like yogurt, like a raspberry or a strawberry yogurt. Oh, that is lovely. I could lick it. I'm not going to, but I could. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really lovely. So is there any extra information I can give you for this? No, it just goes into saying what I read on the back there. So we've got a skin polish. Next we've got something that is buried underneath all the worms. This is by Madara, and this is Boost Hyaluronic Collagen Booster Ampules. So there's 10 in here, and they're 3 mils each. Targets dryness, irritation, signs of aging and lines, and it stimulates moisture, comfort and smoothness. And it's a new formula. I've tried a few products by Madara before, but not this one. I like the sound of it. Collagen stimulating low molecular size hyaluronic acid. Now it's a little bit too sciencey for me. No, but I believe you, I believe you. What's it say here? Works instantly. For best results, use as a course of treatment for 10 days. Then use 2 to 3 times a week to support the effects. So when would you use it? Would you use it morning? At night? Does it say here? I'm not too sure, but oh, there's information in here. Look at these. Look at these. So you've got 10 ampules here. There's a booklet here detailing what you're supposed to do. I use like a 5, 6, maybe 7-step skincare regime in the morning, so I'm trying to work out where can I fit this in. It just says enriched with natural hyaluronic acid and moisturising plant sugars that improve the condition of mature, very dry, tight, demanding and thinning skin. That sounds perfect for me here. I've suffered from acne, oh my gosh, for about 30 years. Up until about 5-6 years ago, I'm now on medication. I'm on something called spironolactone because I got polycystic ovary syndrome. So massive, horrible, painful cystic acne. So I'm acne free, which is brilliant. But when the acne all disappeared, it left me with scars that I never knew existed. But it was inevitable, really. I've got it all, got scars down there, like little pitted scars there. But then here, very crepey and very thin, and no, I don't like it at all. So maybe something like this might help in that particular area. So there's that. Next we got a John Masters organic lip cream. See there? What's the smell? What's the smell? I've got lipstick on now, so I can't try it. It's lemons. It smells of lemons. I love lemons. Well, that's what it looks like there. Does this tell me any more? This lip balm is soothing, moisturising and invigorating. All in one delicious and aromatic treatment for your lips. So there's that. And lastly, we got a little sample, and this is by Anika Organic, and it's a Phytofuse Renew Maca Root Rich Day Cream, 80% organic. So it's a little sample of that cream. Oh, they're assorted, so if you're getting this box this month, then you might have a different one to me. And it just says use your exclusive discount code to receive 20% off all Anika products at Lovelula. Can't tell you much more really, it doesn't say, it just goes into the ingredients. But yeah, so it's a rich day cream. So there's all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the products inside April's Lovelula box. We've got 4 products here, and we've got an added little sample there of day cream. So the box costs £14.95 and the value is £57. Again, I'm really impressed with this box. I really, really love it. I've been subscribed now for, I think it's 3 months, 4 months maybe, and it never disappoints. What I love about it is that it's different to subscription boxes that I already subscribe to. Being an unboxer on YouTube, I am subscribed to quite a few different beauty subscription boxes, but this one is different and I love it. I just love all the smells. I love all the products. I mean, this sounds amazing. It sounds really cool. And these two, they just smell absolutely gorgeous, especially this one. It's just like a yogurt. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I really do like it again, and nice sizes as well. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you impressed like myself, or are you thinking, nah, it's not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.